Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can delete the eBay account. Now for that, you need to open your eBay account on the web browser. So then open a new tab on the browser and on the search bar type in ebay.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the eBay. Here you need to first get signed in into your account. So click on sign in at the left corner of your screen. Here type in your email address. Click on continue and now type in your password. Click on sign in. And with this, you have been logged in into your eBay account. Now to delete your account, you need to go to your profile section and click on the drop-down menu. There you click on account setting. Now inside eBay, you will see the option of account preference in here. And inside there, you will see close account. You click on that, closing your account and deleting your data. Now here you might be provided with the few information of your account delete process. If you are sure and if you have read all the information that has been provided, you need to scroll down and click on close my account and delete my data. And now here you need to type in your account details first. Once you have provided all the details, then click on continue. Now here you need to provide a reason for why you are leaving your eBay or why you are deleting your account. Here you click on drop down menu and choose a reason for your account deletion. Once you have done that, you choose the reason and then click on continue. Confirm closure and deletion of my personal data. Please read the information below and check that you've read and understood it. You need to read all the details that has been provided in here. Once you have read your details, you click on the checkbox over here and then click on submit request. With this, your request for the eBay account deletion process will get submitted to the eBay and it will get deleted afterward. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.